kaliwat kanang developments, additional features, and future developments dito sa Nuvali area. I know you are really considering this for your family. So now let me tour you around and see how it is like to live here in Nuvali, Santa Rosa. Naisip mo na rin ba how it feels like to live in BGC in Makati? You can actually experience that as well dito naman sa Nuvali, Santa Rosa area. This is the future Makati or BGC of the South, no? Dahil nandito na lahat. Ayala Lands, master planned community or estate dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. With a very vast master planned area of 2,400 hectares. Imagine the size, no, of 25 villages, different recreational areas, parks, no, at marami pang commercial spaces. Napakaraming mangyayari and developments here. Imagine your kids and your family growing here at the heart of Santa Rosa, Laguna. Sana kagaya nyo ma-enjoy din ng inyong mga future family or generations, no, itong area na to. Kaya I really recommend for you to start investing now here. At para mas ma-encourage ko pa kayo at mas makita nyo how beautiful and how good and lucrative as an investment dito sa Nuvali area, samahan nyo akong ikutin ang mga developments at mga ginagawang infrastructure dito sa area. Hi guys, yan. So our first stop here at around Calax area, no, dito sa may Laguna Boulevard. Yan. So kung galing ka ng South Forbes or Calax area, so ang madadaanan mo is this bridge in Calax. Tapos magte-turn right lang tayo, diretso na ito ng Nuvali, no? So bakit tayo dadaan dito? Kasi we wanted to show to you yung kanilang ginagawang Nuvali flyover. Yan. So si Ayala, they are not just good in doing lots for commercial, for residential, or yung mga recreational. They are also into infrastructures kasi they want na syempre we are also offering convenience, no, and accessibility talaga to their clients, no, and yung mga residents ng kanilang mga subdivisions here. So on to our right, no, is the Calax area. So nandyan yung nearest exit to us. So to help alleviate traffic, no, mas madaling mapuntahan si Nuvali. So nagkaroon na ng direct access or flyover, tapos ang baba mo na nito diretso na is dito sa may Nuvali North area. So kung familiar kayo dito sa may man-made lake, yun ang baba mo pagbaba mo dito sa flyover. So this one is estimated to be completed this August 2024. So ayan, halos patapos na rin naman siya and ma-enjoy na to ng mga motorists dito, residents here at Nuvali. So ang galing lang ng Nuvali because through these infrastructures we are assured, no, na lalo pag natapos na to, capital appreciation of properties here, may it be commercial, may it be residential, ay tataas din talaga, no, kasi mas magiging accessible pa siya, no. So ang galing lang, even Calax, no, they ensure na hindi ka lang nasa isang exit dadaan, hindi lang through SLEX. Nagtayo sila ng Calax and now this flyover. So dediretsohin lang natin to, then ang tumbok natin or ang lalabasan natin is yun nga, yung man-made lake. So that would be our second stop para ma-showcase ko naman sa inyo yung mga bago na ginagawang building, no, very exciting dito sa area. So this is the famous crossing dito sa Nuvali, so kung saan nakalagay yung kanilang malaking arc. So kung mahilig kang magbike or kayo ng family nyo, madalas dito nagsastop yung mga bikers to take photos na nakarating na sila finally ng Nuvali area. Yan. So, diretso lang tayo. Tapos, if you will notice, sabi ko nga dito sa Nuvali, akala mo maliit lang siya, ano, or parang ito lang kasi yung nakikita natin by the eye. Yung tip of the iceberg lang, no? Yung what are familiar to us lang, like landmark here, yung Ayala Mall Soledad, yun nga yung man-made lake dito kung saan ka pwede magpakain ng mga fishes or koi, no? And yung mga bago natin dito like SNR, Landers, no? Akala mo lang yun lang siya, but actually imagine gaano karami ang residents here. There are actually 25 subdivisions or villages inside Nuvali, no? Hindi pa kasama doon yung mga commercial spaces, recreational, at yung mga tinatayo nilang bagong mixed-use developments here in the area. Yan. So our next stop, si Nuvali kasi is na-divide siya into 3 major areas. So we have here Nuvali North, Nuvali Central, and Nuvali South. So itong una nating pupuntahan para makita nyo kung anong mga bago and updates dito sa area is here in Nuvali North. Malapit lang dito sa man-made lake natin. So this is actually pagliko lang near Seda, yung hotel nila dito ni Ayala. And malapit lang dun sa mga existing mga IT hubs nila dito. So nagdagdag pa sila kasi market is increasing, no? So a lot of more companies are investing dito in terms of IT, in terms of new projects. So our next stop is here at Nuvali Techno Hub naman yung pupuntahan natin. So turn left lang pagdating dito sa may Nuvali Boulevard, no, papuntang Evolving Parkway. So ang landmark dito na makikita natin is Seda Hotel, no? So on to our right, so ayan yung mga hotels famous for Ayala. Yan. So this is actually a good stop pag gusto mo mag coffee and parang bond lang with your family kasi maganda naman yung hotels nila and the food is also nice. Yan. So pag diniretso natin, so quickly lang around mga 5 minutes is nandito na tayo sa Techno Hub. So ayan na siya on the right. Yan. So this is actually a 6-story office building dito, ano. So it's around 30,000 square meter na gross floor area. So napakalaki. So maraming pwedeng maging tenants, new locators dito, may it be BPO or mga anyone from IT industry, no, could be here. So target completion is around quarter 2 of 2024. Kaya kung makita mo, malaki na yung progress of the construction dito sa area. So malapit na rin siyang ma-enjoy ng ating mga locators dito or mga future investors, no? So kung naghahanap ka ng expansion for your company or which is malapit lang din sa family mo, no? So pwedeng dito kayo lumipat or kumuha ng property in Nuvali area, then put in here your new office para rin malapit lang, no? A balance of work and family time. Yan. So possible locators could be businesses on BPO and IT industry, tapos pwedeng international and local investors. Okay, next stop natin, malapit lang dito sa Techno Hub, is the Museum for Architecture plus Residences, no? So, very nice addition to the projects and developments dito sa area. While it's a non-Ayala development, this is actually a joint venture by Calma Properties plus the very famous international icon in architecture worldwide, no? Fujimoto. Yan. So, this mixed-use leisure area, no, pwedeng exhibits, museums ang mga ilalagay nila dito. There would also actually have a water gallery din daw on their basement area. So magkakaroon din ng commercial spaces. Plus, very nice kasi meron din siyang unique residential spaces with onsen, no? First time ko rin itong narinig, but these are actually Japanese hot spring public bath. So ang galing kasi sila lang yung meron yan dito sa area. So it's around 32 luxury units na pwedeng ma-enjoy and mabili din ng ating mga future residents dito sa area. So this development will feature a vertical forest with 200 trees, no? So imagine, kakaiba talaga siya and would be definitely a landmark dito sa area. Yan, it's truly a game changer sa development ng real estate. So the more na mas gaganda at mas tataas yung value ng mga properties dito, a lot of people will be coming more to visit these properties, these museums here. So going back to Nuvali Boulevard, no, so as we straight ahead, makita nyo dito sa ating right yung Ayala Mall Soledad, then later on is Landers area, and across it is the next stop natin, which is the East Block, no? So, ito guys, yung ating future Central Business District dito sa Nuvali. So, as we straight ahead, no? So, this is actually a 12-hectare mixed-use development. So, for commercial spaces, no? Office spaces, yan yung mga pwede nating mailagay dito. So, new locators. Actually, ang dami na ring sold lots here, but there's still available ones, no? So, common sizes of lots here is around 3,000 to 5,000 square meters. And magkano ba yung price nito? Usually around 250 to 600 million per lot, no? So, kung naghahanap ka ng big space at the middle of everything here in Nuvali, so you might want to consider and start here investing in East Block. Yan. So, develop na rin yung kanilang mga roads, no? And well-partitioned na yung mga lots. So, may mga na-sold na. Kita nyo naman dun sa kanilang mga signages. And what's nice here is overlooking siya ng Mount Makiling, no? Kung mataas yung building na ilalagay natin, so makikita din natin yung Laguna de Bay and Tagaytay Ridge actually. So, ang galing lang because it offers a balance talaga between nature, convenience, and accessibility. Hindi lamang sa mga future residents here, but actually even to employees, no? So, gaano kasarap mag-work na ganito yung nature or ambience around your office. So, dito din actually currently located yung LHK South. Yan, that's the very first building na naitayo dito, commercial building. So, actually, open na rin yan for rentees or locators. So, kung may mga gusto na at naghahanap na, pwede na po siyang makonsider. Yan. So, one good feature also of East Block, no, is meron siyang sarili niyang garden. So, on our right is the East Block Garden. So, pareho to ng setup as to how High Street was made, no, sa BGC, or maybe a lot better kasi marami rin talagang puno dito. Plus, may sarili siyang mga bike lanes that people can also enjoy during weekends with their families. On to our next stop is dito naman tayo sa heart of Nuvali area here at Nuvali Central, no? So, dito tayo sa ating Central Block. Yan, on our right side, makita nyo yung dinadevelop na rin na area. So, may mga portions na rin dito na pwede nang mabili, no? Dahil na-subdivide na and ready na yung mga roads nila. So, very few lots remaining, mga around 25 lots na lang to. A little smaller than East Block, no? So, around 900 to 1,200 square meter yung mga available natin dito. Yeah. Then for Central Block, no, so also this is around 12 hectare mixed-use development and we're expecting it to be completed. Iba-ibang portions, at least yung very famous here, the Mary Mart na ilalagay sa gitna ng Central Block will be around Q4 of this year, 2024. So aside from Mary Mart, magkakaroon din ng the shops, no? Para rin sa mga outlets. Also, other commercial lots, ang mga pwede nating locators here actually could be hotels, no? Residential din, training facilities or centers, recreational spaces, schools, and even offices. So, when we say schools, aside na meron naman talagang Xavier Nuvali na malapit dito. So, we could actually put in graduate schools or even actually para sa mga kids, no? And kung teacher ka or businesswoman who'd like to put in play schools for kids kasi napakaraming mga families dito and for sure marami ring mag-avail ng services of the play schools here. So pwede ka maglagay dito sa Central Block. Now, on to our last stop. Dito naman sa Nuvali South, no? So, as we straight ahead, so, papunta ng right side is actually the Miriam College, no? And yung isa nating new project, lot project dito sa Nuvali, which is Sereneo. If-feature natin yan some other time. But going, dun sa ating next stop is dito naman sa may right side natin. Yan. This is actually Nuvali Play Parks, no? Si Ayala kasi, they're very famous for mga activation centers. No, so sample ng mga activation centers are like yung ating man-made lake. So ngayon maglalagay na sila dito ng panibago. Before nandito yung water park, no, kung naka-visit na kayo sa Nuvali. Ngayon they are renovating it for another purpose. So gagawin itong it's a 31 hectare open space. Imagine ganun kalaki for different activities like driving range, no, sa mga mahilig mag-golf dyan. So you could easily go here. The trails, no, dahil napakaraming mahilig mag-bike dito sa Nuvali and even those na nagbe-visit lang para mag-bike. Yan, there's also dog park for fur pets parents, no, para sa inyong mga fur babies, pwede nyo silang igala dito. Meron din tayong mga green corridors, garden center, and yung tinatawag nilang community tree, no? So, ang galing, ang daming mangyayari pa dito sa area. A lot of more visitors ang makakarating or makakapunta dito. So, perfect, really perfect for those na nagpa-plan magtayo ng mga businesses here in Nuvali, or especially third residents out here, no, sa mga families na gustong start ng investment nila dito or dito mismo tumira, kasi napakarami yung pwedeng gawin with your kids, no, with your partners here at Nuvali area. So kailan ba to target ma-complete? This is actually second half of 2024, especially yung driving range, so mauuna na siyang matapos. I hope na-enjoy nyo ang ating ikot here at Nuvali, coming from Nuvali North to the Central Block area up until dun sa kanilang play park area sa may Nuvali South, no? So if you are also itching and eyeing to get a property here or simulan na rin ang inyong business expansion on their commercial lots, don't hesitate to send me a message. Pag-usapan natin yan, upahan natin yung future plans nyo, no? So you can reach me on my socials, in YouTube, in TikTok, Instagram, and also in Facebook, no? So we could discuss and talk about your future plans dito. So please also like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell para sa susunod na i-feature ko ulit ang Nuvali ay ma-update kita. So again, this is your friendly kapitbahay, Frenzel Paz, and I hope to see you here in Nuvali. Thank you!